My name is Vinswella Sandridge, and I am the owner and director of Strictly Kids Christian Child Care Center. Today I have my 6 beautiful children here, and they're going to help me produce this video for my early childhood development class. Today we are doing a science project, and we are going to build a volcano together. So we're going to explore together, and I'm asking that you would take a journey with us and see what we can come up with. Are you guys ready to build our volcano?
Yeah.
Okay, you want to come over here to the table? Let's come over here to the table. So the first thing about having a science project is giving the kids an opportunity and enough space to do their projects. And on today, you see we have 2 tables. One table we have for the beginning of our project. What we have here in order to build our volcano, we have a can. We also have some water and some dirt. Kids love to get dirty, so don't be scared to let them feel and touch, because this is the experience that they absolutely love. The other thing that we have on our other table is our ingredients. And so come on over here, kids, so we can see what we have here. So our ingredients that we're going to be using today is we have our dishwashing liquid, our baking soda, our vinegar, our measuring cup, our other measuring cups here, and then our food coloring. So this is what the children are going to do. So, okay, come on kids, let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to build our volcano. And in order for us to do that, we have to get our hands dirty. But first I'd like to ask a question. Why do you think we're outside doing this project?
So we don't get dirty inside.
Okay, so we don't get dirty on the inside. But when we're building a volcano, do we build volcanoes, do they erupt on the inside or the outside? Outside. Great job, Evan. So what we're going to do first is we have to build our dirt around our volcano first. But in order for us to do that, we have to wet the dirt a little bit. Would you like to pour a little bit of water in our dirt first? Okay. Evan is going to start us off, and he's going to pour a little water in our dirt first so that we can get, what do you think happens when we pour water in our dirt?
Get muddy.
It get muddy. Great job, Evan. And so what we want to do is build a little mud. We want to build it enough to where it begins to get solid. You want to pour a little more? Okay. So let's see what happens. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your dirt, and we're going to build around our volcano. Would you like to help?
Mm-hmm.
Come on. Thank you, Evan. You want to put a little more in there? Go ahead and pour a little more. All right. So go ahead. Would you like to start? Come on, Dylan. Would you like to help? We're going to pack it around our can. Pack it around the can like this, Dylan. You want to help? Anderson, would you like to help? Come on.
Right.
Go ahead, Ada. Get some dirt right here.
Oh, we got muddy
Right
water.
here. That's fine. We're going to build around it just like this. Come on, Anderson. Yes. Yes, you have it. Come on, Dylan. Come on, Dylan. Would you like to help? All right. Great job, everybody. Come on. Come on, Dylan. Okay. Great job. Come on. Yes. All right. You got that? Great job. Look at this. Let's do this. Okay, come on over here to the table. Let's finish over here. So, what we need in order to complete our project is that we're going to need to, now that we've built our volcano, our tunnel, what we're going to need is right now is to put the rest of our ingredients. Now that we've built our volcano, what we're going to need is to replenish the rest of our ingredients. So what I'd like for you guys to do is Evan, would you like to give us some baking soda? So what we're going to need, Evan, is we're going to need 2 tablespoons of baking soda. So would you like to scoop that? We're going to need 1. Okay. You want to put it in there for a minute? And we're going to need 2. Great job. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to ask Evan if he would go and put this in our Volcano, in the can in our Volcano. And we're going to wait for Evan to get finished.
Okay.
Great job, Evan. And so now what we need is we need a 1/2 cup of dishwashing liquid. And would you like to put a 1/2 cup of dishwashing liquid in there?
Yeah.
Here. There you go. Squeeze it in there. Squeeze. We have gross motor going. Squeeze. Squeeze some more. Squeeze it. Just like you would glue. Great job. Okay. So now Anam is going to pour our dish liquid inside of a container, because what we need is we need to build our solution. So we have that dishwashing liquid in there. Okay, you want to put that right there? And then what we have is, right now is we're going to need a 1/3 cup of vinegar. And so, Dylan, would you like to pour our vinegar for us? Okay. Here's our vinegar. Can you turn it? All right. How about now? It's okay, Evan.
I got it. That's enough.
It's okay, Evan. Okay. Great job, Dylan. Would you like to pour that in there as well? Great job. And then we're going to have some red food coloring, because we want a little color to our Volcano. So, Denzel, would you like to put some food coloring in there? You want to squeeze it in there? Great job, Denzel. Squeeze it. Squeeze. We want to put at least 3 drops of red food coloring in here. Okay. Great job, Denzel. Now we're going to need a 1/2 cup of water. So, here's our 1/2 cup. LaRoya, would you like to pour our water? Here you go. Would you like to pour it in there?
Yes.
Leave it there. Go ahead and pour. Great job, LaRoya. Don't worry about the spills, because we can always clean up. Would you like to pour that in here? In there? Uh-oh. It's okay. We get messy. We do that kind of a thing, but that's okay. We can always get more water. All right. So we're going to add, we're going to get a little bit more water, so give us a few minutes. Evan, would you like to give me some water? Or, Michael, you can hold that? I'll do that. My assistant is going to give me some more water, and I will hold the camera and videotape myself. So as you can see, our children are very much engaged. Our hands are dirty. Everybody wave hi. Everybody wave hi to the camera. Say hi. Denzel, wave hi to the camera. So as you can see, we have our baking soda, and don't worry about, kids love to get messy. I love to get messy, but this is part of the exploration, and this is part of the experience. So as you can see, our Volcano is ready. It's waiting, and we are getting ready to see what happens after we build our ingredients together. So Evan went and got us more water. So Evan, would you like to pour, we're going to have LaRoya pour again. LaRoya, would you like to pour more water? Okay. All right. All right. We're going to help LaRoya out a little bit. She's a little excited. Okay, you're right-handed, so we're going to do this. Now pour. Great job. So now what we're going to do is we want to find out, does anybody want to find out what happens when the Volcano begins to erupt, do you know what happens? Okay, Evan, you want to grab that for us? We're going to go back over here to this table over here. You want to come over here with me?
Yeah.
All right. Come on over here with me, Denzel. Okay. All right. So, look at what happens.
Uh-oh.
What is that?
No.
What color is that?
Pink.
It's what color? You want to touch it? What color is that, Denzel? What color is that? Dylan, what color is that?
Pink.
That's a volcano, and this is how a volcano erupts. Great job, everybody. You want to touch it, Ayla? You want to touch it, Dylan? So this is what happens when you give your children an opportunity to explore. And always remember, don't worry about dirt because dirt doesn't hurt. But we wanted to make sure that you understood that this is all about Earth. And just giving your children an opportunity to explore in different areas. And as you can see, my tables are spread out enough to give the children an opportunity to walk back and forth. So this is the owner and director of Strictly Kids, and this is our science project of building a volcano. Thank you, and have a great day.